Hello, it's Cam from Stafford Land Rover showing you today this approved used Land Rover Range Rover finished in black. This 2024 model comes with a 3-litre D300 engine and is paired to an automatic gearbox. The large pixel LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night, and this car stands on 23-inch gloss black alloy wheels. With the parcel shelf removed, there is around 900 litres of usable boot space capacity in this car. There is also a panel to help lower the air suspension to help lift heavier items in, and there are automatic boot closes located on the top and bottom of the boot. Stepping into the back of the car, we will find the perforated Windsor leather ebony seats, which do contain ISOFIX points on either one. There is also a fold-down armrest which will reveal a storage tray, as well as 2 cup holders. Backseat passengers can also utilise their own climate control vent, which does have 2 USB ports and a 12-volt socket. Making our way forward, we can find the ebony interior to coincide with those same ebony seats we see in the back, this time with additional side support. There is also retractable armrests for the driver and passenger to utilise, and the seats are electronically operated via controls on the doors. Here's a closer look at the multifunctional 2-spoke leather-wrapped Range Rover steering wheel, with controls on the left for the virtual cockpit and hands-free options, as well as on the right for the cruise control and heated steering wheel. The virtual cockpit itself has many different customization options to best suit driver preference, including left and right panel displays, as well as display layouts with focused dial and maps. The main touchscreen infotainment system does include satellite navigation with useful shortcuts such as nearby fuel stations. We can also access radio with FM and DAB, and as well as this we can use Bluetooth to connect to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The controls for the heated seats are found here as well, with varying levels of power to best suit the current weather conditions, and by clicking the camera icon in the bottom left we can pull up the 3D and satellite imagery, as well as the reverse parking camera to help manoeuvre this larger vehicle. Forward of the centre console we will find a retractable cover tray which does have a place to store your phone with a USB port. The automatic gear selector fits comfortably in the hand and glides seamlessly through the different gear options. Located behind the centre console is another retractable cover which will reveal 2 cup holders, which can also be slid back to access a storage pocket with 2 USB ports. Finally, the leather wrapped armrest can be lifted up to reveal a cooled storage pocket. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this approved used Land Rover Range Rover SE. For any more information, please do get in touch now.